In a landmark initiative aimed at bridging the gap between scientific complexity and public understanding, the National Center for Hydrology and Meteorology hosted the 𝗧𝗵𝗂 workshop for media from April 15 to 17, 2024. This inventive workshop, held in partnership with various media houses and generously funded by Green Climate Fund. 𝗔𝗂𝗵𝗶𝗿𝗀, the meteorology officer of NCHM, explained the purpose behind organizing the 𝗧𝗵𝗂 workshop for media. She stated that NCHM had two main outcomes in mind for the workshop.
The first one being that we want to increase awareness of 𝗧𝗵𝗂 amongst media personnel, and the second one being that we want media input as to how we are disseminating this information as well. And from these two outcomes, we hope that we can more effectively disseminate all sort of 𝗧𝗵𝗂 information to the public and also further collaborate with media on this matter.
During the workshop, participants explored meteorology, weather forecasting, climate change, hydrology, glacier, and scientific communication. The primary goal was to develop journalists' understanding of hydrometeorological sciences, enabling accurate public communication. Expert-led discussion illuminated weather patterns, climate trends, and reliable data sources. Ultimately, the workshop empowered media professionals to play a vital role in driving climate awareness and actionable measures within communities through accessible scientific communication. Jimmy Selden, the communication officer of ICIMOD, reflected on her recent experience attending a media workshop organized by NCHM.
I think it was very, proactive for NCHM to do this workshop, because it is so important that our media personnel, particularly as a partner for any agency or as a development agency, that they understand the work the work that NCHM is doing and be able to convey the work clearly to the members of public, because what NCHM does matters to the public, and the progress and changes that is happening especially on the climate cryosphere, it affects the people on the ground, and that our media are able to convey it effectively. I think that's very important. And that's why I think in my own way, for the past 2 days, I did a session on why it is important and how to present science to the public by codifying or simplifying the language and making it relatable to the public, as well as exploring the growing multimedia, social media, and also understanding the role of media as not as the end goal, but as the very critical partners throughout the journey.
𝗔𝗂𝗵𝗂, RJ from Kuzu FM, added.
Not as a media person, but I personally feel that this workshop is really important and beneficial for all of us. To the term climate is simple and common, I feel that it really affects every aspect of our life, like from our food resources, transportation, infrastructure, and simply to what to wear. So I believe that it has a huge effect on our livelihood. So to be aware of the 𝗧𝗵𝗂 science and to implement action towards its challenges, it is really important to have such kind of workshop.
As Bhutan continues its journey to a sustainable development and climate resilience, initiatives like the 𝗧𝗵𝗂 workshop for media stand as testament to the power of collaboration and knowledge sharing in addressing complex global challenges.